Hi guys, so for the bowl cut, this is what I'm using. I'm using the Milky Way 27 piece human hair. Now what I've done, because my hair I always have it like a silver grey color, this is more like a platinum blonde. So what I've done is I used purple shampoo. So what I've done is I've put it in water. I'll show you how I do it. And then mix that purple shampoo in the water and then just let it like dissolve. So it's like basically purple water, and then just dipped in the extensions so it gets rid of to make it like the silver grey color. So this is how it turned out like. Now I'm going to let it air dry so I can put it in my hair. But this is the original color, as you can see. And then that's the color it turned out. So it needs to dry. And this is the shampoo that I was talking about that I use. It's called FANOLA. You can get it online. This is literally like the best stuff ever. And I use it now for like toning my hair and getting rid of like that yellowiness. So once that's done, I'm going to pour like a bit in there. And then just basically mix it until it is purple. It's actually purple. I don't know why it's looking blue in here on the camera, sorry, but it's actually purple. Yeah. And then basically just let it sit in the water like that. And you can leave this for about 1 minute to 5 minutes, as recommended on the bottle. So as you can see how it's turning, like changing the color. It's pretty much it. And I've got like this conditioner. So once that's done, I'm going to put conditioner. Really good. So for those that have extensions or hair extensions that they want to obviously tone into a grey color, do it this way, because it works better. If you try to put like the whole shampoo, you know, onto their hair, especially if it's dry, it's gonna like stain. It's gonna have like patches in between. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do the bowl cut. So what I've already done, I'll put the clip as well as I was doing it. I've already toned it because it came in as a platinum blonde, and I toned it and basically wanted it as silver, basically like white silver grey color. And yeah, just left it to air dry, and that's pretty much the result. You'll see the before of how it looked like. Now what I've done is I started gluing it now. So I sectioned it where I actually wanted it to start, and then what I'm going to do is I'll obviously like cut it out and section it to just kind of even it out and whatnot. So what else? So I've got my stuff here, like my razor and then the scissors as well to cut, and then I'm using the white glue, and that's pretty much it. To take it off, I've got the bond remover, but I'm not going to take it off now. I'll take it off next week because I got a wedding, so my hair needs to be long for the wedding. We're going to get straight into it. So what I've done is I've already put 2 tracks. So yeah, there we go. In a section, I'm going to cut it just about there. I think it seems a little bit long. I don't know if I should go shorter. But yeah, that's part. And then I'm going to take the glue and then basically like glue the track. Okay, I had to kind of let my camera charge, but what I've already done is like I basically just followed all the way around. I've got this section left, so I'm going to glue that part on. It's got the closure, so that's the last part. So I'm just trying to like section it so that I don't leave too much room, and that way that can just sit on properly. But so far, yes, you guys, if you rocking this hair, I don't want to tell you shit, because you look bad as a motherfucker. This is the longest part, so I used the longest part at the front and then just kind of started going around, and yeah. So I think I want to do, no, I won't touch that part actually. This is the finished product. I absolutely love it. Like, it looks so good. Like, when you look like this, guys, your hair looks like this, and no one can tell you anything because you are slaying. I love it. I was meant to go get a haircut, but my barber, Tony, the shop was closed. He's been closed for 2 weeks, hence why I didn't end up doing it, because originally I wanted it like really short, like right at the back there, like completely like nothing. It doesn't look that bad, but I like it. I really like the way it turned out. I wasn't too sure, like I was just like, you know, going little bit by bit. The lengths that I used were the longest one, which was like this one, and then I used the middle one, and then I didn't actually touch the shortest. I actually used the shortest at the back, one line, because I wasn't sure like how short I wanted it, but then like when I put the other, like the middle one, then it just kind of like evened out, so I just kind of knew which one I wanted to use after that. So yeah, other than that, so this is what I used. I used the Milky Way, and this is this 27 piece in color 613. I bought it on eBay. I don't know how much, I'm not too sure exactly how much it was, but I bought 2 boxes. So the first box is the one that I used like now, and then the color, you can't tell here because it's got more of a yellow undertone than it does like on camera. So it actually has more of a yellow undertone to it. It's not like this. So what I did is I used the FANOLA. I think I showed it in the beginning, and then I mixed it into the water, and then kind of dipped the extensions in there, and just let it like get rid of that like that yellow undertone to it, and then just make it grey. And then this is pretty much how it turned out. Like, yeah, I was inspired by Aisha Lee. I actually saw her video, and she's the one that did. I wanted to see how to do it because I didn't know how to actually do it. I kind of searched up how to do like the bowl cut, and yeah, and then when I saw her video, I was like, oh wow, okay, that's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And you know, she only had like the glue And then what else? The flat iron, and then she had some spritz as well, which she was using and like spraying along the track, but I didn't do that. I just did it straight off. And also Samba Lou, I follow her on Instagram. She had this cut as well, and I had to like literally message her, and I'm like, oh my god, what did you use? And she explained everything that she used. And when I saw Aisha's one as well, she kind of did the same thing as well. So I was so happy that yeah, they inspired me to do it. I've seen photos, but you know, I just wasn't sure like how to do it, but I finally know how to do it now. So yeah, it looks really good. Yay! So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Bye.